Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, my channel. Kakain tayo ng lunch. Nag-crave ako ng Mexican food. So, I'm having carnitas. Ang dami nito guys. Siguro 2 araw ito kakainin. Sobrang dami. And then yan, may mga pickled carrots and jalapenos and onions. And then of course, we have, I have a lot of this, yung mga hot sauce. It comes with tortilla also. So I have here tortilla, hot tortilla. So try natin with corn tortilla. Corn yung pinili ko para at least medyo healthy siya ng konti. So, nag-pray na ako, nagugas ng kamay. Let's eat. Try muna natin yung meat. Ang sarap. You can eat it just the way it is, but this is how you eat this. Na mas masarap. Hindi ko siya, usually may kasamang Mexican rice ito. Hindi ko pinasamahan. Kasi, just to cut back a little bit. And then you put some sauce. I'm putting 2 kinds of sauce, guys. Red and the green sauce. They both, spicy. Sarap. It's been a while. Hindi ko talaga sa maanghang. Jalapeno. Sarap. Super. I think, ayan. Diba? Yung beans nila, oh. May cheese. Ang sarap. Ang dami pa. Ang dami pa, guys. Very good lunch. Kompleto na. Protein, veggies, at kung ano-ano pa. Meron tayong tea, pampatunaw. So anyway, I will enjoy my lunch. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.